In a world where one size doesn't fit all, finding the perfect pair of shoes can be a daunting task, especially in a country as diverse as India. But now, thanks to groundbreaking research and collaboration at India's Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, a new era of footwear sizing is on the horizon. For too long, Indians have relied on foreign sizing systems that simply don't cater to the unique characteristics of our feet. But that's all about to change. Enter the Indian Footwear Sizing System, a revolutionary initiative by CSIR Chennai based Central Leather Research Institute CLRI and sponsored by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. This initiative aims to upgrade and modify the existing Indian standards for footwear sizing IS 1638-1969 with the latest findings from this initiative. Unlike the existing European standards, which lack consideration for the Indian demographic and anthropometric features, the Indian footwear sizing system takes into account the nuisance of Indian feet. The foot measurement technology that was used is the most advanced 3D digital imaging technique, which comprised of a three-dimensional foot scanner which scanned the foot form and the anatomical landmark points and measured automatically over 25 foot measurement parameters through an optical laser scanning system. For data collection of foot sizes, India was divided into 5 geographic zones, namely the North Zone, Gangetic Basin Zone, Northeast Zone, West Zone and South Zone. To accurately represent the entire population of the country, over 1 lakh people from across 79 locations of India within the age group of 5 to 55 years have been surveyed. And the report has been submitted to BIS. The Indian Footwear Sizing System is set to launch by 2025. Based on age and gender, the population is categorized into 5 groups. So, say goodbye to discomfort and hello to the perfect fit. The Indian Footwear Sizing System, because every step counts.